Welcome to GuideUp. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to find archived emails in Outlook. You can either go for the direct application of Outlook and log into your account, or you can go to your preferred web browser and go for the website of Outlook. For this video, I am going for the website. So I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search outlook.live.com and press enter. You will be directly led to this home page, but make sure you are logged into your account. If you haven't created your account, make sure to create one. Now at this home page, there you can see the option of 3-line icon at the top left. You can simply click over there. Now here you can see list of options, and at the downside you can see the option archive. You need to simply click over there. And here you can find list of all the archived emails. And this is how easily you can find archived email in your Outlook. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.